One more question?
Yep.
Diffusing daily aggravation and not having it become the strongest limb on the tree.
Can't diffuse it, because when you look at that thing that's aggravating, it's getting bigger even as you're aggravating it. So you got to think about something else. Because when you think about that thing, you don't...
What about the mental override button that everybody has?
About what?
The mental override button that we all have that just says, all right, I'll be mad just this once. And just letting yourself be mad and having it grow.
First of all, you have to be where you are. You can't be somewhere other than where you are. But if you're leaning toward relief rather than toward aggravation, so if something is aggravating you, just the word aggravation means you are focused in opposition to who you really are. So it's just a matter of turning this way instead of that way. But the way we would approach it is we would change the subject. We'd get off the subject, because you can't stay on the subject without the aggravation increasing. It's a law.
I know.
Annoying, but it is a law. And its consistency means a lot. If sometimes it got bigger and sometimes it got smaller, then you wouldn't know what to do, would you? But because it's always consistent, you know how to get the results you want. You do. Esther has said to us, she would say it to Jerry too. She says it to us quite frequently now, and still to Jerry. I know the way I'm approaching this isn't going to get me what I want, but I'm going to do it anyway. Because I just feel like it. I just feel like it. I don't feel like being the one that has to find the right vibration. I just feel like focusing on this condition and just being mad for a minute. I just feel like it. And the reason that sometimes you feel like it is because you don't have the resources to feel otherwise. Sometimes you're tired and you just want to sit down. And when you're tired and you just want to sit down, it's because you haven't been resourcing yourself with source. But you can't sit there very long before your desire to get up comes again, you see. Do you believe that you create your own reality? Do you believe that you have an inner being who is aware of what you are doing in every moment? And do you know that your inner being has a steady, in this moment, opinion or perspective of what you are focused upon right now? In other words, you're not out there by yourself. Your inner being is focused with you, right with you, right with you. Esther was trying to screw a screw into the top of a headboard the other day, and it was too tall for her to see what she was doing. But we could see it. You see what we're getting at? You have guidance within you who knows always. And if you will accept that, then...
Will I have my Abraham, so to speak?
You already do. Of course you do. You have an inner being, yes. A cadre.
Will he come forth with a name?
Maybe. The name is irrelevant. The emotion is what matters. The recognition that someone knows and is broadcasting that knowing to you. If we were standing in your physical shoes, we would talk about that all day, every day. I've got someone who knows, who is telling me what they know all day, every day, and often I don't listen. But I'm getting better and better at listening because I care more and more about feeling good. And I'm no longer trying to prove myself. I'm just allowing myself to be. You're going to have fun with this. You're off on the right foot.
Thank you.
Yeah.